Hi guys, my name is Lally and I'm a wig maker, a costume maker and a celebrity impersonator, and I'm coming to you today with this Lady Gaga BAFTA Awards inspired look. She looked absolutely incredible in both of the awards shows she attended that night, and she looked completely different in both of them. I do not know how she and her team do it. I have decided to recreate this look. It was actually my favourite of the night because I just love old Hollywood. I have used mostly Haus Labs products in this video, and everything that I've used will be listed down below in the description box, so don't forget to check there. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to see what I come up with next, and let's get into it. Split my lip. I'm gonna have to try and hide that. Like, I've got chronic dry lips and sometimes I'll just like smile and they'll be like bloodbath. So I'm gonna start with my Revolution Pro Blur Stick. And now I'm gonna use my Maybelline Eraser Concealer in the colour 006 as a base for my eyeshadow. Taking the Haus Labs Glam Room No. 1 palette, I'm going to use the colour Spotlight to just go all over my lid. I'm just going to swipe some of that up into my brow bone. And now I'm going to define my crease with the colour Cameo. You want to come up to the inner corner of the brow and just swipe some of it underneath the lash line. And I'm just going to blend all of that with a clean fluffy brush. Now just swipe the colour Shimmy over that crease. Then a bit under the lash line. Using the Haus Labs eyeliner in Punk, I'm going to do a small wing. The wing isn't too angled, so you want to come out a little bit flat. And it actually extends into the bottom lash line a little bit. So looking straight ahead, we want the thickness of the wing to go from the end of the iris outwards, and then the rest will be a tight line. And now I'm going to use the Haus Labs Micro Tip Eyeliner to line the rest of my lash line and to clean up the wing. Now using the Haus Labs Glam Attack in the colour Retro, I'm just going to go above that wing using a small eyeliner brush. And I'm also going to take that around the tear duct. You want to take that to about the middle of the iris. Using the MAC liner in the colour Stone, I'm just going to line my waterline. I'm going to tightline with my Maybelline Tattoo Liner in the colour Onyx. I just like to look down into a mirror and kind of close my eyes and point the pencil upwards so that it's touching the waterline. Using Max Factor's Radiant Lift Foundation, I'm just going to paint that on using a flat foundation brush. And I'm just going to blend that with a beauty blender. Using the colour Sculpt from the NYX Cream Contour Palette, I'm just going to do my contour. I'm running out of this and they don't make it anymore, so I'm super sad about that. I'm just making my forehead slimmer, a little bit of contour on the cheekbone, and then I want to make my jawbone kind of more prominent. Instead of taking the line straight down, I'm bringing it from the cheekbone line out towards the ear, and then underneath the jawline. And I want a pointier chin than I usually do, so I'm coming a bit closer in on the chin and then two lines to meet the cheekbone line. And taking a mini flat brush for the nose, I want to take that contour from the eyebrow down to the nostril, up the center of the nose, and round to create a little kind of M shape. Just blend that out using your foundation brush. And then going in with the colour Cream from the NYX Cream Contour Palette, I'm just going to add some more light to my face. A little bit on the chin, some brightness underneath the eyes, and then around the philtrum. We want to put a bit on the jawbone right here. Lift the eyes up, lift the mouth, and then some in the centre of the forehead. And then down the bridge of the nose and on each side of the tip. And then just blend it all in with a damp beauty blender. Now going back in with my Rimmel Stay Matte Powder, I'm just going to set all of that. Now using the colour Sculpt from the NYX Powder Contour Palette, I'm just going to go over those contour lines. Using my favourite blusher, the E.L.F Baked Highlight and Blush in the colour Rose Gold, I'm just going to use this angled powder brush and I'm going to do a nice bright blusher. Some on the tip of the nose and a little on the bridge, up into the forehead, on the chin, jawbone, and filter them. Using Maybelline's Express Brow in the colour Black Brown, I'm just going to fill in my eyebrows. And brush that through with a spoolie to blend. Just going to curl my eyelashes. And then for mascara, we're going to use the Maybelline Lash Sensational. Use some Superdrug lash glue and the Kiss So Wispy lashes. I'm just going to dip the band into the glue and wait until the glue goes tacky. And then look down into a mirror and just drop the eyelashes on top. And then you want to pull one side on the outer corner and then the inner corner. So then use the end of your tweezer to make sure that the band is laying down. Then you can lift up the lash as it dries to give that upward swoop. Using a flesh toned eyeliner pencil, you just want to go over your cupid's bow and round it out a bit if your cupid's bow is pointy. And set that with some powder. Using the Haus Labs RIP lip liner in the colour Myth, I'm just going to line within my lip line. We want the line to kind of get thinner as it gets towards the cupid's bow. And just colour in the outer corners. And now just fill in the middle of your lips with the Le Monster lip crayon in the colour Dust. I'm going to take a little bit of that Glam Attack in Retro and just highlight the centre of my lips. Using Maybelline's Lasting Fix Setting Spray, I'm just going to set all of that makeup. And whilst that's drying, I'm going to put on my wig and jewellery. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you learned how to get this Lady Gaga BAFTA Awards inspired look. I've used mostly Haus Labs products in this video and everything will be listed down below in the description box. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe and leave me any feedback, any comments down below in the comments. Let me know what you want to see next, can be anything you want to see. And other than that, have an amazing day. Thank you so much.